Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can add Twitch chat overlay in Streamlabs. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Streamlabs application on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now sign into your account if you haven't already done that. After signing in, you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on the settings embed at bottom left side of the screen and your account settings will be displayed. Now, navigate to the Stream tab and make sure your Twitch account is linked and signed in. You can also add other accounts, but for this time, you will need Twitch. After that, close the settings and click on the add icon beside the source tab. Now, all of the available source platforms will be displayed. Simply navigate to the Widgets tab from the top and then select Chat Box from this page. After that, select Add Source and you will be prompted to change its name. I will leave it as it is and click on Add Source. Now, you can use these sliders and menus to tweak your chat box settings, but when you are done, close this dialog box. Once you are done with all of the above steps, you can change size and drag it on the stream display. So that's basically how you can add Twitch chat overlay in Streamlabs. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.